This week, let's lift up our eyes and get rid of the crow's feet. Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. Thank you to those who commented on my last video. If you still have any questions about acupressure, please leave the comment below. I don't know if you saw, but I tried the YouTube stories for the first time last week. I still don't have the grasp of the format, but I'll be posting here and there. This week I will show you a quick and easy eye lift technique that helps to get rid of the crow's feet. I saw this in one of the Japanese YouTubers' channel. It's so simple, I think you'll love it. Have a lubricant of your choice that would hydrate around the eyes. Locate the temple and press it up and hold it. With fingers of the other hand, apply the lubricant very gently under the eye from the inner corner to the outer corner and go up all the way to meet the other finger on the temple. Only then press firmly. Press up again with the original finger and repeat this for 30 seconds or more if you like. The key is to do this very gently under the eye where the skin is very thin and press up firmly only at the end by the temple. When you are pressing the temple, think of pressing up the sphenoid bone and not just the skin. If the lubricant is absorbed quickly, reapply as needed. You just don't want to glide without the lubricant. Repeat on the other side. If you feel that the lubricant is getting absorbed very quickly, it may be a sign that you're dehydrated. So make sure you drink lots of water. Same with body. I often see with my clients, some days their body is thirsty and absorbs lotion very quickly, and some other days their body is hydrated and I use much less lotion. If you are part of my email subscribers, you already know this, but soon I will be launching a free 6-part video series on Japanese holistic anti-aging approach that I have. And I have an exciting project that I'm working on, but I cannot say too much yet. All I can say is stay connected if you want to know more by going to the link below and sign up for the early bird waitlist. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when my videos up and out. Have a very Merry Christmas and have safe holidays.